Writing band 4 or 5? Want to get a band 7? Here is where you're going wrong. Many IELTS students lose writing marks before they even begin writing, not because their English is weak, but because they use the wrong essay structure. Today I will show you a simple band 7 essay structure, a structure you can use for almost every IELTS Task 2 question. Let us begin with the biggest mistake students make. Many candidates write very long introductions. They try to impress the examiner with complicated vocabulary. But examiners are not searching for complicated language. They are looking for clear organization and logical ideas. A Band 7 essay usually has 4 clear parts: introduction, body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, conclusion. Let us understand each part carefully. Introduction. Section. The introduction should contain only 2 things. First, paraphrase the question. Second, give your opinion or main position. Do not write background stories. Do not write definitions. Keep the introduction clear and short. For example, some people believe online education is better than classroom education. Others disagree. A Band 7 introduction could be: many people argue that online learning is more effective than traditional classroom education. In my opinion, both methods have advantages, but classroom learning remains more beneficial for most students. Simple, clear, and direct. Body paragraph structure. Now let us move to body paragraphs. Each body paragraph should follow one simple formula: main idea, explanation, example. First, write the topic sentence. This introduces the main idea of the paragraph. Next, explain the idea. Show why it is important. Then give a simple example. Examples make your essay stronger and clearer. Let us see a quick example. One advantage of classroom education is direct interaction with teachers. Students can immediately ask questions and receive clarification. For instance, a student who does not understand a mathematics concept can ask the teacher instantly and solve the problem quickly. This is a complete Band 7 paragraph structure. Body paragraph 2. The second body paragraph follows the same structure. Different idea, explanation, example. Consistency and structure makes your essay easier to read, and examiners reward clear organization. Conclusion section. The conclusion should be short. Do not introduce new ideas. Simply restate your opinion and summarize the main points briefly. For example, in conclusion, although online learning offers flexibility, classroom education remains more effective due to direct interaction in structured learning environments. Clear, simple, and effective. Band 6 versus Band 7 difference. Many Band 6 essays contain ideas, but the structure is not clear. Band 7 essays are easy to follow because every paragraph has a clear purpose. Structure often improves scores faster than advanced vocabulary. Quick practice task. Try this method in your next practice essay. Write a 2-sentence introduction, 2 clear body paragraphs, and a short conclusion. You will immediately notice your essays become clearer. Next time, I will show you the most common IELTS listening traps that reduce your score. Watch that lesson next to continue improving your IELTS band score. And be sure to subscribe to IELTS Education 25.